everyone, as you saw in our last video, we are going to Michigan on our next adventure. We are also going to be going to Mackinac Island, which means we are going to the beach. And we are super excited about it because it'll be our second time ever going to the beach as a family. So this video is going to be covering what I am packing for the kids' beach bags or their backpacks that they're taking to the beach. So I'm going to be having all of their clothes laid out right here and all their items that are going to be in their bags here. Now this is not going to include like their sunscreen, their aloe, or anything like that, because that will be in another video for my beach bag. Let's start with Rebecca's stack. So when we were at Castaway Cay, she got this cute hat from the gift shop. So she's taking that because she prefers to wear beach hats when she's at the beach, so she doesn't get too much sun on her head. And then this is the cup that she decorated on our road trip to Disney. You can get these at Dollar Tree. They come apart where you can put the paper in here. She accidentally put hers backwards, but she said that's okay because when she tips it up to drink, she can see the stickers right side up. So she was looking at the positive. So I'm probably going to have to replace these because you can see they're really worn out looking. But I am going to have a pair of flip-flops in here even if I have to go to Dollar Tree or Walmart and grab another pair. And then of course the backpack. And then she is taking her Sophia beach towel, her Sophia sunglasses. These were $5 at Walmart. And then they are also going to each have a change of clothes. They're going to be going in one change of clothes and then changing to swimsuits later. But this will give them an extra change of clothes while we're gone. Because unlike when we were on the cruise, we can't just go back to the cabin, change, and come back. We're going to be like 4 hours from where we're staying while we're on Mackinac Island. So they're going to be taking one change of clothes, and this is Rebecca's. She wanted a little sun skirt and a top to match it, and then a Ziploc to put the clothes in to keep them from getting wet. And then this is her beach cover that I had made them for Disney. This is the one that she got in the video where we did our Kidani room tour and the reveal of their beach bag or their travel bags, and it has a little Olaf on here that I stitched on there, and then it's just a towel and it has the patch on here. That's what it's called. She has the Olaf patch on here, and then just some elastic and ribbon where the elastic is and pulls it in, and then some straps and a snap, and it was done. Madeline's actually has 2 snaps, but the little ones only have 1. And then she also has her swimsuit. And that literally is all that's going to go into her bag. Again, they are going to have like sunblock and sunscreen and bug sprays and things like that, but that's going to go in my bag. Sarah's bag is similar. The only thing I think is different is that she is not taking a beach hat. But here is her cup that she decorated. And these were princess stickers and mini stickers and frozen stickers that we picked up at like Dollar Tree. And then from like doctor's visits, from waiting room stickers and things of that nature. And then they just color the paper with their erasable crayon pencils that they take with them. And then here is Sarah's flip-flops, her bag. And then she doesn't have a character beach towel, but she loves this because it's super soft and it's the Moana colors. Which, speaking of which, she has these cute Moana sunglasses, also $5 at Walmart. And then she has this. This is a skirt that we bought her for the cruise. It's kind of islandy and it's really lightweight and she really loves it. So that's going to be her change of clothes. And then her beach cover has an Anna patch on it, and it's purple. And then she has her Minnie Mouse swimsuit that she chose to take with her. And normally I would bring 2 changes of clothes or 2 changes of swimsuits, but I'm going to have the other one packed down for maybe other times during the trip, and we need them out now because I'm packing a little bit early because it's going to be really busy leading up to time for us to go. So for now, they're getting 1 swimsuit packed in their travel bag. I may add the other swimsuits to their suitcases later. And then this is Madeline's. She chose all frozen stickers with the blue lid cup. And then she has her flip-flops that are also starting to look a little worn out. And then her bag. And then she has a Snoopy beach towel. And her frozen, yep, she has frozen sunglasses. Also $5 at Walmart. And then she has like a tank top with a really, really lightweight summery shirt. With this cute little skirt to go with it that she laid out. And then Madeline has the blue towel, and these are super warm and fuzzy, but also like on the cruise, they didn't get too hot in them. They were just perfect, like right after you got out of the water, and then the wind coming off the waves. So, and then hers has Elsa on it, and also has the straps, and yeah, Madeline's has 2 snaps, and everybody else's only has 1. And then Madeline has her floral swimsuit. So that is it for the kids' bags of what they are packing to go to the beach and to go to Mackinac Island. I may also, closer to time, throw in some go-go squeezes and maybe some other snacks. And then their clothes are going to be in Ziplocs. And then I'll show you here in a minute everything before when it's rolled up and ready to go in there. But I'm also fixing to put their swimsuits in Ziplocs. That way when we go to change, we go to leave, because it's a 4-hour drive and I don't want them to drive back 4 hours in wet swimsuits. I'm going to put these in Ziplocs. That way whenever we are driving back, they can put them in the Ziplocs and then not get their bag or any of their other clothes wet. So this is what it looks like before we roll everything up. So here's what their bags look like with just the towel and the swimsuit covers in here first. I'll just show Rebecca's bag. Her towel's a little bit thicker than the others. So you can see that fits in there. And then all I'm going to have to do is put the rolled up swimsuit, the rolled up change of clothes, and the sandals in the bags, and then set the sunglasses and drinks on top. And then I may have to actually pack the hat down into the suitcase, but she'll still have it with her and probably have it on during the day to wear around the island. But this is what it looks like before, or with, you know, the first 2 in here and with everything packed down into the individual labeled Ziplocs. And each of these bags does contain a full change of clothes for that day. So here's what their bags look like all packed up. We did not get to fit the cute little Castaway Key hat into her bag without squishing it a lot. So we're going to put it with her change of clothes for that day when we leave that morning. So it'll be with those clothes instead. But that is it for this video. In the comments below, what do you pack in your kids' bags to go to the beach? Or do you just take one big family bag with you? I have some friends that say, well, we just take one big family bag. I prefer for them to get to have their own bags and carry their own bags because, number 1, it takes the load off of mom and dad. And number 2, that way they get to carry their own things and put their own little goodies in each bag. For the rest of this week, we will be having more packing videos while we are actually gone on our trip. And then when we get back, we will upload all the videos from this beach trip that we are packing for. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.